Hey guys, my name is Jason with Mount Baker Mining and Metals, and on today's video we're going to be doing a little timber work. We got a big old nasty raise hanging over our head right on our haulageway, so we're going to get this thing all timbered up and secure so we don't have any big rocks rolling down on us while we're working in our gold mine here. Here's our main haulageway here coming along. We've been doing a lot of work to get this thing all rehabbed up, but right above here the old timers chased a vein way up about 50 to 75 feet above the haulageway and left it open. And so what I really want to do today is get this totally boarded up and secured, so if a rock comes rolling down out of there, we're not going to have any exposure to it. We'll just make a whole big plank wall there. We're going to set some stulls, one right here, one in the middle, and a big 6x6 stull here. And that way we can lag across those stalls and make a really nice lid for us to keep us protected. Right now, Chad and Harry are bringing in some of the wood we're going to be using. These are 12-foot 6x6 on the left and 4x6 on the right. So we're going to orient the 4x6 in the direction so the width is parallel with the raise, so it can take it's the strongest in that direction. So our first job is to get these cut to length. I got to get up there and measure from the footwall to the hanging wall and get a measurement so then we can get it cut down and wedged in there. So our first thing is we were barred down in here a little bit and we found this big nasty piece right here. Big chunk of quartz, hundreds of pounds, and imagine someone walking under there and that thing comes down. That's a backbreaker or a killer there. So it's really important before you get in your workspace, you bar everything down and make it safe for yourself. So I'm going to try and get this loosened up and out of here. We'll see if I can get it. I'm going to use my light so I can see here. You want to stand back out of the way. I'm clear. I got an escape way behind me here if I need. We'll just get this thing going and see what happens.
Look at that. Oh, man.
Okay, ready? Here it comes. Woo! Well, I'll peck away at that a little bit more, but look at that thing. That's a man killer there. What do you think, Harry? Want to get hit by that?
No.
But now we got some extra muck for the floor here. So there you go. We'll get this finished up, barred down, and then we'll set our stalls.
Solid.
Yeah, as long as they're manageable to move around. All right, we'll get it cleaned up.
Good enough. Just got a lighter. All right.
So our first stall is going to go, I got a nice little hitch here. Just going to measure up. I've got a really nice spot here. And it's more or less perpendicular to the hanging footwall, which is what you want. That's where you're going to get your most strength. So we need one 67.5 plus the tape. So 69.5, 69 3/4 roughly.
69 3/4.
69 3/4 out of our 4x6. And a little bit of a blunt point on one end. So just like shave out, get like a 3-inch point, just kind of shave off the corners a little bit. So this is going to be my first hitch on the bottom here. So I'm going to get our base right here. And then right there, right where my light is. I don't know if that helps. Right in there. We'll get it up there. I might be able to get a wedge down from the top if I have to, but I'll get some wedges in here, and that'll be our first post. Now go the short way.
Oh, the short
Does
way.
that make sense?
Just the short sides?
Well, let me see. Hold on. Now I'm second guessing myself. I want it there, and so no, you're right. I want the long sides. Yeah, just like you were doing.
Okay. How many sides do you want like that?
Just the other side. Why don't we just do the other side for now? Make it a little blunt wedge.
He likes it.
All right, let's get this up here.
Got the weight.
There we go. Now. This is always the tricky part when you gotta find a spot. See that? Yeah, perfect.
Watching rocks.
Yeah, you beat my eyeballs for me. Can I get a little block so I don't split my
Beater block.
my post? Yeah, a little beater block. Anything, any old piece of junk.
Yeah.
Actually, let me have you instead of that. Let's shave off about a half an inch off the bottom.
Half inch high.
Take off the half, and then you can get it over where I want it. Okay, coming down.
Receive.
There you go.
Half inch off the bottom.
Half inch.
Here comes the beam.
Okay.
Got the weight.
Got it. Better too long than too short. Okay, this one's being a little bit of a difficult. Take me off like a little wedge, like that, right off that end.
First it.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking for.
Got the weight.
Yeah, that'll work. Yeah, there we go. Whoops, hit it first. There. Yeah. Okay. Boy, that's gonna be a good one there. Got that beater block? Is it worth it?
Yep, it's working.
Okay.
Where are your gloves, Jason?
Gloves? You don't need any gloves. Here we go, ready? Yep. I'll tighten that right up. so it comes out. Yeah. That's going. Good stall. Turn the light off so you can see me. All right, first stall in. 2 more to go. The easy one's done. Well, we got our stall in our hitch here. Got a couple wedges. And got a nice hitch up there on the hanging wall. Nice stall. Now we'll do our next one over here somewhere. And then the big boy over there. We got another kind of nasty piece here. Now that I'm up here, I can see it and scale it. Let's see if I can get this big old piece out of the hanging wall. Woo. Yeah, big one. We've changed our plan a little bit. We've moved our stall down. And when I was up there, I was picking on some of this ravelly stuff up above. And when you're up there, you can get a little better look at it. And we made the decision to bring our stalls down closer to the haulageway, run a piece of lagging all the way across to hold any of this loose stuff, any of these cracks. It's all in pretty good shape. Got a little cap on there. And so we're gonna bring another stall, a 6x right down there by Chad's knees, bring it up. Then we're gonna do a spreader between the two of them, and then we can stack our lagging up behind and get this all sealed off. Yes. Go Milwaukee. So we're gonna just we're gonna lift it straight up and just get it there.
Okay.
And then we're gonna ease it into our board and see how we fit. Ready?
Ready.
1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, that's good right there.
Okay.
Hold it right there a second.
Done.
Bring it down some. There we go. And then we're in a little bit of trouble up there
Yeah.
because what's happened is our 6x is way bigger than my hitch spot I wanted.
If I take that blocking out, it might be good.
Yeah, if you can.
I can get up there. Oh,
I got the stall.
okay.
I got this.
Back it up.
You can take the blocking out, then we can at least get it, or maybe just pull it out to your side some.
Let me know if I need to drop this and just start supporting the ladder.
There you go.
Yeah, if you need help, just bail the camera.
Yeah, just let me know, Chad.
Okay.
And you can flex that board up.
Yeah, you can push it up a little bit. Here, I got this.
It's going like a quarter, but
There, yeah, almost a little more.
One more push.
Can you hammer it down?
yeah.
There. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Hold it right there.
Okay.
That's what we want. That's kind of what we want.
Want the hammer? I can hold it.
Well, we're in a little bit of a tight spot here because. Go ahead and tap it down there a little more, Chad.
Okay.
Yeah. And then maybe tap that block. What do I got for you? With like a couple of wedges just to hold it.
Roger.
Just drive those in. Just tighten it up a little bit so we can.
On the stall itself?
No, up. Yep. There you go on the back. Just lightly. We'll take them out later, but. Okay, good. We got our stall set there at least. Okay, Harry, what do you think?
Well, it went in pretty easy, but I don't like how the board flexes.
Yeah, we'll tighten all that up later.
When we block that, we think we should be good.
Here's the thing I don't like.
Yeah, that'll kick right out.
Is it'll kick right out. And so we're gonna have to do something there to beat it back up.
You need a
And
hitch.
we probably are gonna have to shorten it some. So we'll deal with that next. We got our stall set. That was quite a chore, but we did it. I put a little spreader in here across the header because this beam is tweaked in just a little bit. So if this starts taking any weight, it can't just fall in like that and the whole thing pops out. And now we're starting to work on getting our lagging wall built up. So here in about 5-10 minutes, this will be sealed off and we can have a nice safe haulage way underneath. We're just finishing up our little project here with the blocking off the rays. And look at that thing of beauty. Man, that was a big project. But we've got our big stalls holding back true 2-inch lagging. And that'll hold up stuff that comes rolling out of there if it ever does. I doubt it ever will. The ground here is really, really good. But we're protected now. And now we can move ahead and keep going. Well, thanks for watching our video on stalling up that big nasty hole over our haulage way. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you'd like to see more, be sure to subscribe because we've got a lot more videos coming up and we are working our way to the stope where we're going to start gold mining. So stay tuned and we'll see you on the next one.